Hi, Callista from RISC-V, and I'm here talking with Pavel from Codasip. Welcome to the show. Thank you so much for spending some time with us. Tell me a little bit about Codasip.
So Codasip is a RISC-V IP company, and we specialize in delivering RISC-V IP and RISC-V related technologies and solutions to our customers.
So your only focus is on RISC-V, or it's one of a diverse set of architectures?
So nowadays it's our only focus, so we only focus on RISC-V IP technologies.
That is so strategically important.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about how you're participating in the organization of RISC-V, in the community. Like, are you working in different groups? Are you?
Yeah, so we are a founding member of the RISC-V Foundation, and we're also a gold member of CHIPS Alliance. So I think those are our main ways of participating. And in the CHIPS Alliance, we are participating with what we call a SWRF support package.
Excellent.
So that's our latest addition to our RISC-V portfolio.
Excellent. And so do you have folks on the team that are participating in technical work groups, in marketing committees, in education aspects?
Yeah, we're actually on the P extension group.
Yeah.
And I think we're also on the V extension. And
So it is so important to have that type of engagement. RISC-V is strategically important to Codasip, and Codasip is strategically important to have your voice in the community. Where do you see some of the things of most interest to RISC-V? When you're out talking to partners, to customers here at Embedded World, where do you see a lot of the interest growing for RISC-V?
Yeah, so today I talked to several people, and they were all interested mostly in the embedded devices, that type of stuff. So that's also what we're mainly focusing on. So yeah, we can see that RISC-V will probably make their way in this industry. It may start with as a co-processor to chips from other vendors, but we expect that it will keep taking over the market and make its way up to the top.
Do you think it's happening, the growth is happening more in existing areas or more in new frontiers?
I think it's both.
Yeah.
It's in the existing areas where some vendors want to change their vendor, let's say, of their chips. But RISC-V also offers these new ways of using chips that weren't previously possible. So there are also new markets and new opportunities that are opening up thanks to RISC-V.
I think that's one of the most profound things about it. Not just is it a composable technology, you can customize to the power consumption that you're looking for, the performance dimension, many different technical aspects, but you also have a disruption to the business model, right? So in the past, you may have had a limited set of partners, a limited set of suppliers, maybe just one. And now in this larger community,
exactly. Yeah.
You have a diversity of suppliers. And you know what? That underpins the strength of the strategy and the investment that you're putting in.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, thank you so much for spending time with us here, and have a great Embedded World show. And thanks so much.
Thank you, Callista.